Matte blue, matte yellow. Huge shout out, XtremeSkins, for giving me the opportunity to represent again. Thank you so much for sending me this combo setup here. And they threw in a glossy white, camouflage, green there. Somewhere down the road, I could change it up again to one of those. Yeah, man, they did me up. Really appreciate it. Got the Ghost Tech red slim case with see-through back, hard plastic polycarbonate see-through back. Did a review on that. You can go check that out. But I didn't think that with the red, blue, and yellow that would be so hot, and it is. I mean, that just looks really good. I mean, you can't really see the blue up top there of my 6A, but still, that just looks great. So I got protection for my investment as far as the device itself, and I got the back of the Google Pixel 6a being protected with that skin. And what's great about a case, outside of protecting your device, is that it presses up against the back of the skin, the back of the case, helping that process of adhering, sticking to the back of my 6a. Whatever smartphone you use to apply a skin to, sport a case. Obviously one that's see-through so you can see the skin, but it helps. It helps so that skin doesn't come off. Now, at the beginning of the video, I turned off the 6A. That helps with the process. It just works better being off, trust me. A little rubbery pad here to help the 6A stay in place. We did get a alcohol prep wipe in the packaging to wipe off the back of my 6A, and I used a hair blow dryer on low and high. It doesn't matter if it's low and or on high. You want to make sure you constantly move it around. Never let it sit in one place because it can damage your skin, but more importantly than that, it can damage your smartphone. Okay, especially if you have it set on high. It's a lot of heat, so constantly move it around. However you do that, okay, you just want to make sure that the process goes well. You want to take your time. You want to enjoy the process. Everything that I have in this video, the XtremeSkins website, that link will be down below in the description area. And the case from Ghost Tech, that link will be down there. I got a screen protector, that link will be down there. So yeah, just look for those links. I gotta tell you, man, XtremeSkins out of the UK, shipping time a little over a week. Okay, remember it's coming out of the UK, but they ship for being overseas. They ship pretty darn fast. And with that, any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out. Bam. Fire. Yeah, I don't typically use that word, fire. I like bold. I like tough. Strong. Simply good looking.